Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sadie here and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a makeup tutorial on how to do makeup for your mugshot challenge, which is very trending on TikTok. So if you wanna know how to do it, just watch the video further, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also you can just try this makeup look and do your mugshot challenge on TikTok and get a lot of views and lot of likes. So let's get started. So yeah, I have applied my base here. I've applied highlighter, blush and contour and done my eyebrows also. Now I'm gonna take a blending brush and fluffy blending brush and just take some red eyeshadow and just apply it under my eye. I'm gonna apply it wherever usually we see wounds. First on the under eye. I'm just gonna take some black eyeshadow. The only two colors I've used here is red and black eyeshadow. See, I'm gonna blend it nicely. You can apply it however you want. This is just a tutorial. I decided to film it because it was quite trending on TikTok. So I thought many of you all must be needing a tutorial, and many of people have posted also, but I wanted to make a tutorial for this, so I made this. And also this is only for entertainment purpose. किसी की feelings को hurt करने के लिए नहीं है, या अगर आपको ऐसी चीज़ें टॉलरेबल नहीं है सो आप वीडियो को पहले ही बंद कर दो. मैंने पहले ही डिस्क्लेमर दे दिया है. This is only for entertainment purpose and this is not based on any true events. There is no reality in it. एंड ऑल्सो मैंने मग शॉट का फ़ोटो डाला है एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द थंबनेल. सो उसमें मैंने क्राइम वायलेशन ऑफ लॉकडाउन मेंशन किया है बिकॉज दैट इज़ द मोस्ट ट्रेंडिंग एंड मोस्ट रिसेंट इवेंट, बट इट हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद द इवेंट. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ओनली फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पज़. मैंने डिस्क्लेमर दे दिया है, सो प्लीज़ डोंट गेट ऑफेंडेड और डोंट गेट हर्ट बाई इट. नाउ आई डिड इट ऑन माई अंडर माई लिप्स and on my cheeks. I applied some eyeshadow above my eyes also just to give them a little dimension. Now I'm gonna take a reddish maroon lipstick and apply it here so that it looks like blood. I'm just gonna draw some drops of blood here. Everything we will do just roughly. We don't need any technique or any kind of professionality in it. Now I'm drawing some blood near my lips, some on my nose, and this look is not inspired by anybody. I have done it on my own. You will see I am just prompting in some things because I did it totally on my own. Wherever I felt the wound should be, the depth of the eyeshadow should be, whatever it is, I have done all on my own. I've just seen some videos on TikTok of people doing it, so I wanted to create a tutorial and show you guys how to do it. So here it is. Now I am drawing a wound on my forehead, and as I told you, I am just taking the red and black eyeshadows and just applying it, mixing them together. I'm just giving a finishing to that nose thing. Now मैं यहाँ पे एक स्केच लाइनर ले ली हूँ एंड दिस आई एम जस्ट ड्राइंग अ क्रॉस ऑन माई हाईएस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ माई चीक एंड ऑन माई लिप्स. मुझे ये लुक को फंकी भी रखना था एंड एट द सेम टाइम वो रियलिस्टिक भी रखना था, सो मैंने जस्ट थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे फंक दिया है फॉर दैट, लाइक दैट क्रॉस एंड दैट थिंग ऑन द लिप्स. आई वॉन्टेड टू बी फंकी एंड रियलिस्टिक बोथ. यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा स्टिचेस दे रही हूँ ब्राउज पे. नाउ आई एम गोना टेक अ एंगल ब्रश. अब यहाँ पर आईब्रो कट करना था मुझे बिकॉज यूजुअली ऐसा होता है, बट आई डिडंट वांट टू डिस्ट्रॉय माई आईब्रो फॉर दिस वीडियो. सो मैंने एक फाउंडेशन लेके इसको एक इल्यूजन दिया कट होने का. उस फाउंडेशन को मैं पाउडर से सेट करूँगी एंड देन बाद में थोड़ा फिनिशिंग देने के लिए आई जस्ट पुट सम आई शेडो पाउडर दे एंड हियर आई यूज्ड एन एंगल ब्रश टू डू दैट. नाउ आई एम गोना टेक अनदर एंगल ब्रश and just take some black eyeshadow to just clean it up a bit. I thought ये look यहीं पे complete कर दूँ, but ideas were coming up in my mind, so I was just doing everything. I'm just finishing up everything. I'm giving finishing to everything done here. just blending out the eyes, the forehead, everything. Everybody in the house was just seeing me like that, that's why I was getting distracted in between, but that is fine. Now I'm gonna draw some stitches and cuts on my forehead. As you saw, I took the sketch first, so that only says that I was just doing it on my own with my mind. I was just doing it. See, I'm drawing stitches here. So I'll apply a band-aid and be back to you guys. So I've applied band-aid here. This is a total additional step. I told you I wanted more realistic, so I've applied band-aid here, and then I'm putting some eyeshadow on the band-aid to make it more realistic, and then drawing a cross on it for a funky look. You can do it however you want. I just give you a tutorial of how to do it. So here are the pictures. So I hope you like the video and you like my makeup. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll be coming up with such amazing videos for sure. Just let me know in the comment section below what kind of video you want, and I'll do it for you. Bye guys.